Reading and searching for addresses are long gone. Now everyone uses digital maps. So it's time for your WordPress website to embrace maps. I'm Andrew from WordPress, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can easily add a Google map to our website. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for the latest WordPress tips and tricks. So I'm just gonna quickly add a map to this website so that our customers and people who are interested in our service can easily find us. So I'm just gonna bring my admin panel and plugins and add new. And I'm gonna search for WP Google Maps. And it's here. I'm just gonna install it. And activate it. And now I have a new section here, maps, and there is an intro, so I'm just gonna skip it. And basically I have a map by default, and in the free version you cannot add more than one map, so I just have to edit this default map. But if you get the pro version, you can add as many maps as you want. And I'm just gonna edit this. And before we start editing, I'm just gonna point out that this plugin has lots of settings here, and we don't wanna go and review them. There are lots of settings for this plugin, but most of them are just fine for a basic map and we don't need to change anything. So I'm just gonna bring my maps and edit my default map, and every map has a shortcode, and you can simply add this map to any page builder using this shortcode. So if I just click here, I can copy the shortcode and I can just paste it anywhere I want to. And I can just edit this. And it wants me to select a map engine. And for the Google map, we need an API key. And in the past, we didn't need any API key and we could just use Google Map. But now getting an API key is required, and for this purpose, we're gonna only use open layers, but it's easy to get an Google API. The API key is free for most of websites based on your traffic, and you might need to pay for that and get a premium API, but most likely you're gonna just get a free API key from Google. And we're just gonna select open layers. And here is the name of my map. I can just change it to my location, or maybe our location. And here's the zoom level, and of course you want to increase it as much as you feel it's right for the visitors, because they're gonna see this snapshot and then they can just change this map and work with this map. And then we can add an animation here if we want to. So when the map loads, we have animation, and here is our location. And a map can have more than one location or marker. So you can have one map but with more than one markers, with more than one locations, and you can even do this in the free version of this plugin. So for example, I have a marker here which is pointing to California and this place, and I can, if you want to, I can just, for example, add a marker in Nashville and it's searching for the address. You can also use GPS coordinates if you want to. So for example, I'm just gonna select this and add this marker, and here we have California and Nashville, Tennessee. And basically you can see that this marker here is bouncing because I have just selected bounce, but I don't think I like this, so I just rather use none and save this marker. And now we have just two stationary markers here. And if you want to change any marker after adding this, you can just click here and you have the option to center the map, so the marker will be centered, so you can just work with it better. Or you can just select this option here, edit this marker location, and then it just lets you to just drag the marker any place. So you can just, for example, select the location and then zoom in and just refine the location, so you can just exactly target your store or company. And then we can just save this marker, and we also can again edit it, so we can just change the name or address of our marker. That's it. Now we have two map here, and I can just save this marker and save this map. And now if I just bring my home page and bring Elementor, I can now just go ahead and create a new section here, and I'm just gonna put a shortcut here, but I think we can just add the map itself, because yes, this map is actually adding its own Gutenberg block, so you don't need to add the shortcut. If you want to, you can just use the shortcut, but because it's adding its Gutenberg block, in any page builder that supports Gutenberg blocks, you can just get the block here and add it, and now we have our map and we don't need anything here. So I can just click on apply and update, and if I just now preview my changes, you can see we have a map here, and it's actually showing our two places. You can add anything you want beside it or text above it, and this plugin has lots of settings that you can just play with them and get special things. And that's it, everyone. Now we have our Google map here. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We post lots of WordPress related content in our channel. And finally, if you have any problem regarding WordPress, our team is always ready to help you, so you can just reach us from the link in the caption.